Kirti bookstores sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together. In which week was the sales greater and by how much? So in this there are two questions. So first question, see, Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. In the first week of June, how many books are sold? How much worth of rupees 2,85,891 of books are sold. Clear? So now second week there is 4,768 rupees of books are sold. Now question is, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? So this question they asked to find sales for the 2 weeks together. How much was the sales for the 2 weeks together? So you have to find together means you have to find total number of books of rupees first week and second week. Clear? So in the first week books for rupees 2,85,891 sold. Then in the second week, how much rupees of books are sold? Say 4,768 books are sold. So question is, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together. So you have to add and find the answer. What is the second question? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So you have to compare first week and second week. Then you have to compare and write which is greater. Okay? Which week was the sales greater and by how much? So you have to find two questions. First you have to add and see first week number of rupees of books is sold and second week add and see. Then second question is you have to compare which week rupees is greater and by how much. So second question. First question, number of books, how much was the sales for the 2 weeks together? So how to write? So first you have to see it is given in question. So in question it is given the first week of June. Okay? The first week of June. How much rupees of books are sold? 2,85,891. So right. What the books sold? What of books sold in first week? First week of June. First week of June. So books sold in the first week of June, that is 2,85,891. Clear? So worth of books sold in first week of June, that is 2,85,891 rupees. Okay? Rupees 2,85,891. Similarly, you write worth of books sold in second week of June. Second week of June, that is 4 lakh rupees, 4 lakh 768. 4,768. We have to find total number of books are sold. Okay? Total number you have to find. Therefore worth of the total books. So you have to add 2,85,891 plus 4,07,68. So now you have to add and say 2,85,891 plus 4,07,68. So in this question they asked to find total number of rupees. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is it is 15. Right? 9 plus 6 15. So here we will get 8 plus 8 16. Correct? 8 plus 8 16. 16 is 1 remaining here. 1 plus 5 it is 6. Correct? 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 6 15. Correct? So 1 remaining here. 8 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 7 16. So 1 plus 5 6. Correct? So here is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 68,000. Sorry, 6,86,659. So therefore we can say that what of total books is 6,86,659. Is the rupees. Rupees 6,86,659. Clear? So now you have to check the second question. What is the second question? First one we got the answer. Second one is, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? Now to compare now first week and second week of books. See, first week it is the 2,85,891 and in the second week 4,07,68. Which one is greater? Greater is 4,07,68. So we can say that. Sales books sold in second week is greater than the first week. Okay. Or first we compare. Since 4,07,68 is greater than 2,85,891. Clear? So 4,07,68 is greater than 2,85,891. So 4,07,868 is a second week. Correct? Worth of books sold in second week is greater than the first week. Clear? So therefore we can say that worth of books sold second week is greater than the first week. By how much? By how much? Now you have to compare first week and second week. You have to compare. Yeah. So subtract and see. 4,900. So 768 minus 2,85,891. Correct? 2,85,891. So subtract and see. 8 minus 1 is 7. 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9, that is 7. Now remaining here 6. 6 minus 8 cannot, so you have to borrow 1. You get 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So here 9 minus 5, that is 4. So 9 minus 8. 9 8 minus 8, 1. So what is remaining? 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Correct? 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 9 cannot borrow 1. We get 16. 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9, 7. So here remaining 6. So 16 we get. Borrow 1. We get 16. 16 minus 8, that is 8. Correct? So what is remaining here? It is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And here is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. So what is remaining? 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 1,14,877. Okay, right here. Therefore, worth of goods sold in second week is greater than first week by 1,14,877 rupees. By 14,877. Clear? So question is, Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. In the first week they sold how much? Rupees 2,85,891 rupees of books. Here in the second week rupees 4,768 rupees worth of rupees of book is sold. Now second one is, yes, now you have to find how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. So how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Together means you have to add. Clear? So you have to find the sum of first week and second week. Clear? So first you are writing the sentence, worth of books sold in the first week of June rupees 2,85,891. Then worth of books sold in the second week of June, it is rupees 4,768. And now the question is worth of total books. Together means you write total number of books. Clear? Worth of total books is 2,85,891 plus 4,768. So answer we get 6,86,659. So now second question is in which week was the sale greater and by how much? So you have to compare first week and second week. Now first week is 2,85,891. It's lesser than 4,768. Correct? So this is the second week. This is the first week. Correct? So therefore we can say that worth of books sold in second week is greater than the first week. Correct? Why? Because the second week is 4,768. Right? First week 2,85,891. So which is larger? Greater? 4,768 is greater. So we can say that worth of books sold in second week is greater than the first week by rupees 1,14,877. Here, so means you have to subtract from second week. You have to subtract the first week. So we get the 1,14,877. That is the worth of books sold in second week and first week. We are comparing. Then you have to subtract. We will get the answer 1,14,877. Clear? Thank you.